Greetings, this is Carl from the Center for Excellence in Teaching and Learning, and this is a tech tip. Many of you are creating your own YouTube videos and uploading them for your students to watch. In this video, we're going to look at creating timestamps in your YouTube descriptions so that your students can more easily access the information on those videos. Let's get started.
And here's where we'll begin. I've opened up the CETL YouTube page to our home page so that you can see step to getting to the appropriate screens to make your life easier. What you'll want to do is go to this YouTube Studio Beta here
And click on that.
and this will bring you to this dashboard. Now it goes to the most recent video that you've uploaded or created. To find all the videos you've created, just click on Videos. And I'm just going to make some adjustments to one that we've done here recently for this tutorial and screen grab PC. So I'm going to open that up. And it goes into this really handy window, which will allow us to listen to the video and add timestamps as we're going through that particular video. And in order to add those timestamps so that people can jump right to the section in the video that will give them the information they require, we can enter them in the description of what that video is. So I'm going to just click down here, and at the first time I'm going to timestamp a 0:00 and just put intro. And then if I hit return, I'm ready for my next, so I can just sort of watch my video. And for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll speed through some of these processes so it doesn't take too long. So I've moved ahead here to like 30 seconds, 32 seconds, and I can see that timestamp right there in my video. And this is the part in the video where I actually talk about finding the snipping tool. So we're going to enter that in, and that is going to be at 0:35. And there we are. We're going to turn so we're ready for our next one, and then continue our video. I'm going to make one more pause here and just roll this back because I think about 51 seconds is where I want this next segment to be. At 0:51, I'm going to add creating a snip. And in this particular video, there's probably just one more place, intro to the annotation tools, that I'd like to add to this description. So I know that's pretty far along in the video, so I might just drag this along until I start to see those changes, find that place where I'd want to start, and let's just call it at 1:24. So 1 minute and 24 seconds into the video, we're just going to call it Intro to Annotation. And you can continue on in this fashion for as many or as few of these timestamps that you'd like to create. And once you've completed them to your satisfaction, just move up to the top hand corner here and click Save. And those changes will be saved to your description. Then, if you go to the video, and we're just going to go there by clicking on this URL right down here. I'm just going to pause this so it's not making, but you can see right in your description are these timestamps, and a click on Show More will bring them all down so students can view. So if you just click on any of those timestamps, you'll see that that video goes exactly to the point on that timestamp, that 51 seconds, and a student can watch it from there. And that's a quick look at how to create timestamps. If you have any questions about this or anything else, feel free to reach out to us at CETL@une.edu. Be well and have a great day.